So as we know, treating peripheral neuropathy takes many different approaches that have to work together. And one of the most important pieces of that is addressing our nitric oxide levels. Now, what is nitric oxide? It's a compound that's found in the bloodstream and in the lining of your blood vessels. And what good levels of nitric oxide allows for is for your blood vessels to properly dilate. As we know, when your blood vessels dilate, they get larger, and that's going to create more blood flow and therefore more oxygen, more nutrients that are able to get to the places we want them to. So when we're talking about neuropathy, we're talking about a situation where those nerves are being deprived of the nutrients and the oxygen that they need to because blood flow has decreased. Things like a poor lifestyle, poor diet, other comorbidities, and different conditions can affect your nitric oxide levels. Having blood that's too acidic is something that can cause low nitric oxide levels. And so we try to create the right conditions where we have good nitric oxide levels, we have good pH for the blood as far as not too acidic, not too basic, anything like that to help those nitric oxide levels be at their optimum. Because when they are, we can really kickstart the healing process in the nerves and really start to see some symptomatic relief.